Hi, my name is Rich Coles from Prodactive Project Solutions. So I'm always looking for things which can help me be more productive and help others be more productive. And I'm fascinated by what AI is offering in terms of just moving things forward at a breakneck pace. The thing is, also, AI helps you get work moving forwards, but actually getting the work done still needs you to work with people. And that's why it's fascinating to have collaborative work management systems such as Smartsheet. So when the actions have been logged, when you've had a transcript, when you've had AI do all things and turn that into an actions log, well actually you still need to get that work done. So I thought I'd do a quick demonstration to show you how easy it is to actually keep a hold of all the actions and bringing these all together from your multiple action trackers in one place. Because this is something which any business is facing, and it's about getting the work done. That's what needs to happen to help you succeed with what you're trying to achieve. So let's have a look at what I mean by Smartsheet. So let's dive in. So in here, I've just got a simple dashboard, which is for my open actions dashboard. And you can see at the top, overdue actions, and here the open actions as well. It's as simple as that. Now within here, I've got my individual view. So if I click on this, or any person clicks on this, it will take them to their personalized view of their open actions. So for me, I'm currently in as demo Prodactive. Then it's got an action which is due on the 18th, and I can say this is in hand on track, for example. And obviously a spelling mistake there, I can correct that. And if I save that, if I go back to the actual dashboard, what you're going to see is that has just been updated already because that report talks to this dashboard. So you can see what the status is of any individual's actions, what's in hand, and if it's overdue, then it'll be appearing at the top here. This is absolutely fascinating in terms of having that common visibility. So how easy is it to set this up, and how easy is it to create an actions tracker? Well, let's have a look at that. So if I come out of here and just go to my overall space, and I'm going to create a task list. And the task list is going to be an action tracker. And as simple as that, if I click on the action tracker, you can see it's got task name, due date. What I do is I tend to make a few changes to this one just to make it a bit more advanced. So I'm going to come out, take that, delete it, and I'm going to use one I prepared earlier, which is my template actions tracker. So I go into here and I'm going to use this template, and I want to do a webinar next. So this is the next initiative that we're doing. So webinar actions tracker, and I go into it and I'm going to copy some information across that I've got elsewhere, drop it in, and you can see that this task is already overdue on that one, and so it's showing as red. Now I've got a little slide here which is asking me to do a few things, enter the name. So this is the webinar, so I'm just going to add it into the webinar, and as simple as that, then we can see that the webinar is all set up. And who's this assigned to? So I'm going to assign that to, in fact I'm going to assign that to Demo Prodactive, and I'm going to assign this one to Rich, and I'm going to assign this one to Fee, for example. So, Fee and Rich, so let's assign that one there, that's saved. If we go back to the main dashboard now, what's going to happen is we can see, one, the webinar has already come into the overdue actions, and two, that we can see the webinar, the various actions here for the various people on that bit. So again, just going back in, I can now click into this one, and actually if I want to reassign this task to someone else, I can click on this one, reassign it, and say actually I'm going to give that to Phil to do as well, and say Phil added you as owner on that basis. And by the way, whilst you're in here, you can also, I could send a little alert to Phil, so to say, hey Phil, please note, and then note thought better for you to do this. And if I send that, then that will have gone to Phil, and he's now going to be saying to me, what's that message about, Rich? So on this, this is how the action tracker goes into here, and you can see it's all very simple on that basis. So it's just a really simple way of how you could be leveraging Smartsheet and using technology to really help you get work done, ensuring visibility of the work that needs to be done, and how individuals can then have one version of the truth. Where are we tracking with our actions? What are the new ones coming up? Creating an action log in seconds, and no need for AI on that bit. Get that done. Copy, transcribe them however you want, maybe use AI for that. But then to get the work done, have visibility. So fascinating in terms of how productive you can be when you're using some of these technologies for collaboration, and Smartsheet is absolutely brilliant at that. So if you do want to chat and understand a bit more about Smartsheet, please do get in touch. My name is Rich Coles from Prodactive Project Solutions. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.